Hello everyone, my name is Joelle, and as we approach the start of an exciting new year, I'm inviting you to join me for the Yoga Jumpstart Challenge. These are going to be all new classes right here on YouTube, completely free to join and open to all levels, whether you are completely new to yoga or if you just want to jumpstart your year in style with a healthy body and mind. The classes are each going to be about 10 minutes long, and they're all going to be full body practices, so all of them working on strength, flexibility, and balance, although each one will have a slightly different area of focus so that we have a really well-rounded practice by the end of the 7 days. The challenge officially begins on January 1st, 2023, although of course you're very welcome to join this challenge at any point in the future, and the only thing you need to do to sign up is to click the first link in the description box of the video so that you can enter your email and I will send you the practices the moment that they are released. I also encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss out on any future practices. I will also leave a link in the description box below to a special yoga workshop that I will be running to help you set goals for the year ahead and really kick off your year in style for body and mind. So again, make sure to sign up for the challenge, subscribe to my channel, and I look forward to seeing all of you on the mat in the year ahead. Happy New Year, everyone.